Hetzler, and we're here again at divorceprocess.co. Today we're going to be talking about a pretty important topic, especially if you have children involved in a divorce, and that is the impact of divorce on children. Primarily we're going to be discussing today kind of from a medical standpoint. Today we're fortunate enough to have Dr. Richter with us, who is a licensed pediatrician and also an undergraduate degree in psychology, and she's going to be fielding some of the questions that are going to be beneficial to you. Obviously we're going to be scratching the surface of what's going on with the children through a divorce from this type of standpoint, but if you decide that you need further help or any other additional information, we'll provide resources for you at the end of this video that will allow you to get any additional information you need. So having said that, let's get started. Dr. Richter, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Good. Let's talk about the first question is just generally, as a pediatrician from that standpoint, when you have children that are going through a divorce, and what are the major negatives, positives, or is there any positives? I don't know. What are the things that you would tell our viewers out there to kind of think about, or what kind of negative impacts, just kind of things like that?
Well, I think the most important thing when a family is going to separate and there's going to be a divorce, communication is the most important thing.
Okay.
It depends on the age of the children. You really have to consider why are you all getting a divorce and how that's going to impact your child. If they're very little, it's very difficult because they're not going to understand the adult matters.
Okay.
But it's very age appropriate. So if you have a teenager, it's probably the toughest time because they're judgmental, they're going through their own things. But in a divorce, communication, and even though the parents are separated, having a united front for the children is very important, because many children feel like it is their fault. And they don't understand, like maybe they haven't been good enough children, or maybe they caused the fight between their parents. So it's very important for parents, although they themselves are going through a difficult time, to make their children a priority so that the children understand that the divorce is between the parents, not from them. So
it sounds like the recommendation you're saying is minimize the impact of divorce on them as much as possible by putting them in the focus.
Exactly. Minimize conflict in front of them, not involving them in adult issues.
Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Hetzler, and thank you so much today for watching one of our sample videos. After watching one of our sample videos, I'm sure you can agree that all the information that would be included in the members area is so much more valuable and so much more intense. I encourage you today to go to divorceprocess.co, where you can get all the information, have immediate access to all the great content and information that allow you to make good and informed decisions when going through your divorce. Again, that's divorceprocess.co, and I look forward to seeing you inside the members area. Thank you.